I want you to sit right here. Alright, right on this middle cushion. And take a seat.
I don't have that emote.
Are you broke?
Yes.
Fine, then just crouch.
I am, bro.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mackie. Today I'm going to be bringing you a 1v1 box fight versus Grubby. Grubby, say what's up.
Hello.
Before the video starts, I'm going to say Grubby's link's going to be in the description. Go check him out. And yeah, let's get into the video.
Worst part is I'm not even playing with any control freaks right now, so my
What? Thanks for shooting me straight through my wall. And that 30 pump. You gotta love it. Bro.
I wish I could tell you what's going on, but
Honestly, I have no idea what just happened. I hit for 100 and then I hit you for 30 blues. Like, what?
I didn't even know if I had my mats or my gun. Fucking man.
Ah, shit, I'm fucked.
I never W keyed so hard in my life. It's all fun and games till Billy gets you low, eh?
Fucking dude, I have no idea where the fuck you are. Oh! I fucked myself. I fucked myself.
Ooh! Oh my god, I just realized something. It took out my version of aim assist.
Oh!
A completely different version.
That was a lucky 200. 230 pumps in a row, and then my pump doesn't shoot.
Aww.
That was nice.
That was weird. That's what it was.
Oh shit. Bruh. Oh, it fucked me. It boosted me on top instead of letting me go below.
Yeah. I thought you would have placed a pyramid above. That's what I was doing.
Honestly, I thought I did.
Bitch. What?
Let's go. That was a nice one.
I was looking around for you. I don't know how to edit.
Oh, I hit you for 30. Nice shot.
That was lucky. Damn right. Mackie, no. I'm gonna put on a thumb extender. Wait, that was yours?
Let's go.
Oh, that was mine.
Oh! I'm fucking myself.
A little bit.
Takes longer. I don't want to have to fucking edit more video than I already have to. That 190 saved me. Ah! Oh, you went through all my shit. Bro, how much HP do you have?
And 60.
I just hit you for 100 twice.
I I went up to 100 again when I fell
Wow.
back, and then that's what saved me. Literally match point. Come back at the next episode of Dragon Ball Z to see who wins this gunfight. Is it the B-boy aim assist or boy keyboard and mouse?
Bro, I can't edit.
You took that too. You took that too. Oh, I tried to pre-fire.
Alright, is that 10-9?
It's 10-9, yeah.
Yeah, alright. Well, that's the game, guys. Grubby, I appreciate you making the video with me. Remember, everybody, go check out Grubby. His link's going to be the first link in the description. Thank you, everybody, for watching. It's been Mackie, guys. Peace.
What you call an icon living? Puerto Rican little Miss Rich.